Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're watching videos on VLC Mobile and find the subtitles hard to read, this video is just for you. Today, you'll learn how to turn on the subtitle background in VLC Mobile to improve visibility and enhance your viewing experience. Open the VLC app on your mobile device. Then look at the top left corner and tap the Settings option. Inside the Settings menu, continue scrolling down. Tap on Subtitles. In the subtitle settings, look for the option called Subtitle Background. Toggle this option to turn it on. Once activated, you'll see a solid background behind your subtitles when watching videos, making them easier to read against any type of scene. That's it. Now you know how to enable subtitle background in VLC Mobile. It's a simple change that can make a big difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.